Welcome to Crash Cases, where the truth unfolds at highway speed. Every frame captures the razor's edge between control and chaos. These aren't stunts, they're wake-up calls. One wrong move, one missed glance, that's all it takes. Watch closely, learn quickly, buckle up. Eyes on the road. Let's see how fast safety can slip away. A high-speed car lost control and hit a power pole, splitting it in half. Drive with care speed leaves no second chance. Violent collision tore open the cabin of a Gazelle truck, but both drivers escaped with minor injuries. Luck helps once, caution protects always. Reporter rescued a driver after his car caught fire on the highway. A sudden breakdown without hazard lights caused another vehicle to crash. Warn early, safety starts with you. Thick dust from an earlier crash blocked the road ahead, causing a serious accident when a speeding truck couldn't react in time. Slow down visibility saves lives. Poor judgment and failure to keep distance led to a major crash, blocking the road and affecting others. Stay alert. Distance today prevents disaster tomorrow. Ambulance has priority but not immunity. Failing to slow at intersections risks collision. Even in emergency, safety must lead speed. Camera captured a man narrowly escaping a truck that veered toward his porch. Danger can strike anywhere, stay alert even at home. Man on a bicycle died after being hit by a car that lost control following a collision at an intersection. Stay alert, one mistake can take a life. Dashcam captured a car losing control after failing to yield to a semi-truck. Respect the right-of-way, patience on the road prevents tragedy. What starts as routine can turn critical in seconds. Every driver, every turn, every decision, it all matters. The difference between safe and sorry is often just awareness. Respect the road. Expect the unexpected. Drive with purpose. Stay alive with caution. If this opened your eyes, like, share and subscribe to Crash Cases, where real impact drives real change.